Today we are going to learn a small topic in the subject Computer Aided Design and Analysis. Already we are discussing 6th module and today's topic is Isoparametric Element Mathematical Problems. We are discussing some problems regarding isoparametric element. So for that we are taking an example that the Cartesian or global coordinate of a corner node of a quadrilateral element are given by 0, -1, -2, 3, 2, 4 and 5, 3. Find the coordinate transformation between global and natural coordinates using this and determine Cartesian coordinates of the point defined by Rs equal to 0.5, 0.5 in the global coordinate system. So given data are x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to -1, x2 equal to -2, y2 is equal to 3, x3 equal to 2, y3 equal to 4, x4 equal to 5, y4 equal to 3, and the figure is given as node 1 0, -1, node 2 -2, 3, node 3 2, 4 and node 4 5, 3, and the axes are x and y, and shape function is already known to us, that is n1 is equal to 1/4 1 minus r 1 minus s for the node 1, and you can write the equation for n1 and substituting the values of r and s we will get n1 is equal to 0.0625. Similarly for n2 you can substitute the equation 1/4 1 plus r into 1 minus s, and substituting values of r and s we will get n2 is equal to 0.1875. Similarly n3, which is 1/4 1 plus r into 1 plus s, and substituting values of r and s we will get n3 as 0.5625, and n4 can be found using the formula 1/4 1 minus r into 1 plus s, and substituting r and s values, that is 0.5 and 0.5, n4 will become 0.1875. So we know n1, n2, n3, n4, and then we can find x using this equation, that is x equal to n1 x1 plus n2 x2 plus n3 x3 plus n4 x4, and substituting the values n will become 1.6875 units. Similarly we can find y, and substituting the values of n1 y1 n2 y2 n3 y3 n4 y4 we will get y is equal to 3.3125 units. These are the Cartesian coordinate for r and s given, that is r and s given as 0.5 and 0.5, and x and y can be written as x equal to 1.86875 and y is equal to 3.3125. Now we will take another example. In the previous problem we have discussed only the shape function or coordinate transformation. Now here the problem given as a 4-noded rectangular element shown in the figure. Figure is shown here. That's a rectangular element. Determine the following. Jacobian matrix should be found. Strain displacement matrix. Strain displacement means B matrix, and element stresses, that is sigma x, sigma y and tau xy. And take E is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per mm square. U is equal to matrix 0, 0, 0.003, 0.004, 0.006, 0.004, 0, transform. That is, this is a column matrix, and R is equal to 0, S equal to 0. Assume plane stress condition, and the given data are as below. From the figure you can write all these values. At node 1 x1 equal to 0, x2 equal is y1 is equal to 0. At node 2 x2 equal to 2, y2 is equal to 0. At node 3 x3 equal to 2, y3 equal to 1. at node 4 x4 equal to 0, y4 equal to 1, and all other terms which is given can be written here, and we have assumed mu is equal to 0.25. If it is given in the question, you can take directly, but here that's not given, so mu is taken as 0.25, and Jacobi matrix should be found first. So first term is J is equal to matrix J11, J12, J21, J22. So these matrix should be found. For that we have equation for J11, J12, J21, J22, which is already derived in the previous class, and substituting the values of x and y, we can write it as J11 is equal to 1, that is s is given as 0, x1 is given, x2 is given, x3 is given, x4 is given. So substituting values, we will get J11 as 1, J12 as 0, J21 as 0, J22 as 0.5. These are the metrics found using these formulas, top formulas. These four formulas, using these formulas we can find J11, J12, J21, J22, and the final matrix will be in the form 1, 0, 0, 0.5, and determinant can be found as 1 into 0.5 minus 0 is equal to 0.5, determinant of this matrix. And strain displacement matrix for a quadrilateral element is given as like this, and substituting the values we can get B matrix, and the final equation for B matrix is 1 by 4 into matrix minus 1 0 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 0 2 0 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 1 2 1 2 minus 1, and we know the element stress sigma is equal to d into b into u, where d is the stress strain relationship, b is the strain displacement relationship, and u is the displacement. And for a plane stress condition, we know that d is equal to E divided by 1 minus mu into matrix 1 mu 0 mu 1 0 0 0 1 minus mu by 2, and substituting values we will get d is equal to 213.33 into 10 raised to 3 into 0.25 into matrix 4 1 0 1 4 0 0 0 1.5, and the final equation will be 53.33 into 10 raised to 3 into matrix 4 1 0 1 4 0 0 0 1.5, and substituting the values of D matrix and B matrix with U matrix, which is given in the question, we can directly find sigma, and sigma or element stiffness matrix is element stresses are 480, 120 and 280, that are 480 Newton per mm square, 120 Newton per mm square and 280 Newton per mm square. Thank you.